Hello everyone. Have you ever reached for an anti-aging cream or taken vitamins to feel healthier? If so, you've probably heard of peptides. Peptides are compounds made of amino acids that play many important roles in the body, from wound healing to hormone production. But did you know that peptides can also help with weight loss? That's right. Certain peptides have been shown to reduce hunger and increase fullness, making them a popular addition to weight loss supplements. So if you're looking for a little extra help on your weight loss journey, peptides may be worth trying. But wait, before you start downing bottles of peptide supplements, there are a few things you need to know. In this video, we'll dive into the science behind how peptides work, which ones are most effective for weight loss, and how to incorporate them into your diet and lifestyle for optimal results. We'll also talk about some potential side effects and risks to be aware of, so you can make an informed decision about whether peptides are right for you. So if you're ready to uncover the secrets of peptides and learn how they can help you achieve your weight loss goals, keep watching. Scientists have identified more than 7,000 peptides in the human body, each with a unique sequence of amino acids that determines its structure and function. Some peptides are just a few amino acids long, while others can be hundreds of amino acids long. Despite their small size, peptides play a big role in many important bodily functions. For example, peptides are a key part of our immune system, helping to defend the body against harmful bacteria and viruses. They also play a role in wound healing, helping to repair damaged tissue and grow new cells. Peptides are also involved in hormone production, such as insulin and glucagon, which regulate our metabolism and blood sugar levels. So how do these tiny compounds work, and what makes them so effective at performing such important tasks? The answer lies in their unique chemical structure. Each peptide is made up of a string of amino acids linked together by peptide bonds. And the sequence of these amino acids determines the peptide's shape and function. Peptides can form alpha helices, beta sheets, and other complex shapes that allow them to bind to other molecules and perform a variety of functions. This flexibility also allows peptides to evolve and adapt over time, which is important for maintaining a healthy body as we age. As we get older, our bodies produce fewer peptides, which can contribute to a decline in muscle mass, bone density, and immune function. But by taking peptide supplements or incorporating peptide-rich foods into our diets, we can help boost our body's natural peptide levels and maintain good health as we age. One of the most exciting areas of research into peptides is their potential use in medicine and health and wellness. Because of their small size and ability to penetrate deep into tissues, peptides are being explored as a way to deliver drugs and other therapies to target cells. Peptides have also been shown to have antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, making them a promising tool in the fight against infectious diseases. And perhaps most relevant to those of us looking to improve our health and well-being, peptides have been shown to play a role in weight loss. By now, you might be wondering, okay, great, you've got my attention. How do peptides actually help with weight loss? There are several different ways. First, some peptides have been shown to suppress appetite by binding to specific receptors in the brain that regulate hunger and fullness. By blocking these receptors, peptides can send a signal to the brain that the body has already had enough to eat, reducing the desire to consume calories. Second, peptides can also boost metabolism by increasing the amount of body fat that is burned for energy. This can lead to a reduction in body fat percentage and an overall improvement in metabolic health. Finally, peptides have been shown to promote the growth of new muscle tissue, which can help increase lean body mass and improve body composition. Muscle tissue is metabolically active, meaning it burns calories even at rest. So increasing lean body mass can help boost metabolism and make it easier to maintain a healthy weight. There are many different peptides that have been studied for their potential weight loss benefits. One of the most well-known is cholecystokinin, also known as CCK. CCK is a peptide hormone that is released in the gut in response to eating. It sends signals to the brain that promote feelings of fullness and satisfaction, reducing the desire to overeat. Another peptide hormone that has been shown to play a role in appetite regulation is peptide YY, PYY. PYY is released from the gut after a meal, and it also helps to signal fullness to the brain. Research has shown that people who are overweight or obese tend to have lower levels of PYY than those with a healthy weight. Additionally, a study published in the journal Diabetes Care found that a synthetic version of PYY was effective at reducing NAT, food intake, and body weight in overweight and obese adults when administered as a once-weekly injection. While these hormones naturally occur in the body, scientists have also created synthetic versions of them to use as potential weight loss medications. However, it's important to note that not all peptides are created equal when it comes to weight loss. Some peptides that have been studied, such as ghrelin and leptin, actually promote appetite and may not be helpful for weight loss. Ghrelin, often referred to as the hunger hormone, is released in the gut and stimulates appetite. On the other hand, leptin, which is produced by fat cells, signals fullness and satisfaction. Therefore, it is not very effective for weight loss. It is essential to understand which peptides are most likely to support weight loss goals. Before incorporating them into your wellness routine, now let's take a closer look at how to incorporate peptides into your diet and lifestyle to reap the benefits of peptides for weight loss. You can get peptides through your diet by eating protein-rich foods such as meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, and beans. Peptides are broken down during digestion and absorbed into the bloodstream, where they can travel to various tissues and organs, including the brain. Once there, they can interact with receptors that regulate appetite and metabolism, leading to a reduction in calorie intake and an increase in energy expenditure. In addition to diet, there are also peptide supplements available that can be used to boost peptide levels in the body. These supplements typically come in the form of powders or capsules and contain synthetic versions of naturally occurring peptides. It's important to follow the recommended dosage on the product label and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or questions. If you want to lose weight, it's crucial to remember that peptides alone are not a magic bullet. They work best when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains provides the necessary nutrients to support overall health and well-being. Regular exercise can also help increase peptide levels in the body and improve metabolic health. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity per week, along with strength training exercises that target all major muscle groups. While peptides offer many potential benefits, it's important to be aware of possible side effects and risks before incorporating them into your weight loss plan. Some peptides, especially when taken in high doses or for extended periods, may cause adverse reactions. For example, certain peptides may interfere with the absorption of other nutrients or medications, leading to deficiencies or reduced effectiveness of the medications. Additionally, some peptides may cause allergic reactions or other immune-related side effects. It's important to choose reputable brands of peptide supplements and follow the recommended dosage to minimize the risk of adverse reactions. Consulting with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement can also be beneficial. Remember, losing weight and keeping it off requires a long-term commitment to healthy habits. Don't expect quick fixes or shortcuts to work. Instead, focus on making sustainable changes to your diet and lifestyle that you can maintain over time. Overall, peptides are a promising tool in the quest for effective and safe weight loss. When used in combination with a healthy diet and regular exercise, peptides can help reduce appetite, boost metabolism, and promote fat burning, leading to a reduction in body weight and improved metabolic health. While there are potential side effects and risks to be aware of, choosing reputable brands and following recommended dosages can minimize these risks. As research continues to uncover the many benefits of peptides, we can expect to see more innovative and effective weight loss solutions that utilize these powerful compounds. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on our latest content. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Remember, knowledge is power and sharing is caring.